What is self-respect? When you feel proud of yourself, you have self-respect. Honoring your needs and value. Taking care of your mental and emotional needs. Setting boundaries with others. Never give a chance to others to disrespect you. Prioritize yourself everywhere. You are not above anyone nor below anyone. Make a commitment to value yourself. Taking care of your self-esteem. Nurturing your inner ally. Stop comparing yourself to others. Honoring yourself everywhere. It means asserting your needs. It means pride and confidence in oneself.